Hi guys, I'm back with the pieces separated to show you how to build the mechanism. Just be clear if you have all these pieces. Okay, so we're going to start with one of the frames. You're going to get this 1x6, 1x2, put it like that. You want to do like that. These pieces are very simple. So you have this. This is one of the frames. On the frame. Next, you're going to build parts of the mechanism. So you want to get this bit with an axle thing that stops. Sorry, I'm very clumsy today. And you want to add it on the last hole like that. Sorry if I really knows. Then you want to get one of these and put it in here. And then you want to get these circular pieces with 6 holes and here. Oops, you can stick that on. Yeah, like that. And then you want to get this bit. To me, it's a bit rare, but maybe to you have this brick. And you want to put that on like that. And then you want to get this 1x2 red axle and put it here. Oops, no. Actually, here. I'm going to put it here. And next you're going to build the trigger bit.
Let's put it here.
You want to get this brick, this tiny brick, with 2 of these axles, these red axles here. And then you want to put one like this and one like this. And then you want to get, you could use another one of these, but I couldn't find one more, so I just used these bricks. That's half of the trigger done. And this bit's going to get not much complicated. So you want to get this brick here. And you want to do this. You want to put it something like this. This bit will. So once you build that, you want to put it here, and that's just starting to get into shape. And then you want to use your last axle, and put it here.
Mm.
And then you'll get this. Then you'll get the. Oops! If that happens to you, don't worry. You can easily fix it. You want to make up this bit where when you pull the trigger in, it'll do that. And you'll see at the end. It's very easy. Then you want to build. Oh, it's just making me laugh. Then you want to make the same frame, but the opposite way. Very easy. That 1x2 thing with the holes in it, I couldn't find it. I also couldn't find one, so I got that brick. And you also want to, you want to get that brick, and probably best if you put the circular bit right there. And then you want to I did something wrong. Okay, do that. Make this frame again. Put that circle. Then you want to connect the frame onto this, and you should get this. And I think I'm doing something wrong, because what are these extra pieces here for? Oh yeah. You can also fill those in. You can also fill those in with these bricks. And then you want to just In fact, my mommy had to do something. So once you build that mechanism, you can build the whole frame yourself. It can be however you like. Something like this. This bit has to be sticking out, and that's where you'll hold the rubber band. Then you want to connect that. Then you should get this, and then everything should be stable. The good thing is that it's very that bit just keeps going on me, and then then you could just add the handle however you like. You got yourself a pistol. This is Best Brother JS. Please leave a like and subscribe, and bye.